Okay, when this question is given to me, I need to read the question carefully. First thing, we all agree the original expression or equation given to us, this is really the simplest form. I cannot simplify anymore, so I likely have to make use of quotient rule later. Okay, I need to find the first derivative. After that, I need to solve for the range of values of x for decreasing function. What's the meaning of decreasing function? What is negative? dy dx is negative, the gradient will be negative. So I write this down first. So basically, I need to solve for these few things. So, first thing, I need to do my dy dx. Differentiate the top, keep the bottom. Minus, differentiate the bottom, keep the top. Over, bottom, and then square. Simplify the top. So I have a 3x squared plus 3 minus 6x squared. Okay, simplify further. Sorry? Oh, okay. Okay, do you all get to this answer? Okay, I think this answer is good enough, but if you can do one more step, what will you do? You will factorize, am I right? You will factorize the 3, but you will not change the answer. But if you want to factorize the 3, okay, but take note, this answer is good enough, but if you want to factorize the 3, you can go ahead and do so. Okay, as stated in the earlier part, we need to find the range of values for x for decreasing function. Means, for decreasing function, your dy dx must be less than 0. Let me write down my first derivative. Okay, we're going to zoom in again. This whole thing must be less than 0. But just now, as we discussed, it's very clear-cut. Your denominator, because of the big bracket square, this is always positive. Since this is always positive, we don't need to solve already. This also means that your numerator must always be negative for the whole thing to be less than 0 or negative. So in other words, we are just solving for the numerator less than 0. If you want to use some conventional method, over 1, cross multiply, denominator come out and meet numerator, you will still get the same result for this question. Alright, so I'm going to continue with that. Take note, if you want to solve for quadratic inequality, the first thing is to ensure the x squared must be positive. If it's not positive, you have to make it positive. So I multiply everything by a negative 1. What will happen to the sign, the direction of the inequality? It will change sign. But I can divide everything by 3 also. I must make sure the right hand side is always equal to 0. Depart. How to factorize? Okay, let me give you a hint. 1 can be written as 1 square. Okay, x plus 1, x minus 1. So if you use your zero product rule, you definitely know that your x is 1 and negative 1. Am I right? After that, what shape do we draw? This is the side working U-shape because we want the x squared to be positive. Smaller number on the left, bigger number on the right. This is greater than 0. Do we shape below or above? Above. So, x must be less than -1 or x will be greater than +1. You have two answers here. Alright?